Hi, Jeremy from Exist for More. Our company exists to close the gaps for you and your team through effective hands-on solutions. There's always a gap, there's always a KPI, there's always an opportunity, and they generally get pushed to the side due to the business of our lives. You can look for a full-time employee, you can look for a part-time employee, or you can look to us. This is the space that we exist. We exist to close the gaps for you. If we sound like a business that could help you, please check out our website, existformore.com. But essentially, we want to remove distractions. We want to advance your business in order to create time. We want to create time for you to do more of the things that you love. I've witnessed too many business owners really not enjoy what they do on a daily basis. I've witnessed ill health, sickness, family breakups, just caused from the everyday business climate. And we're passionate about changing that. We want to be able to create time for you to do more of the things that you love in your business, in your family, in your personal life. If we sound like a business that you'd love to partner with, please get in contact with us. We'd love to have a chat.